We're having a burping contest? Not really a contest. Shaw. What?
I'm gonna burp louder, longer, who knows?
Wink, wink. Can we switch sides?
It feels weird being on that side.
Yeah. I don't like
Like, you spilled so now my butt's wet.
Ah! Sorry.
Oh, you see the way that just soaked in?
That was sweet.
It's too dark in here.
I feel like my arm. You're like, ah, you know what it is, black and yellow.
That was really funny. That's definitely just the way that came out. Please tell me you're kidding. I'm so ladylike.
I'm kidding.
I will kill you. That's attractive.
I can do it.
I can burp like that on command.
I can do the alphabet.
I can, but I'll throw up. I hate when people say the same thing. Like, say something.
I know, it's like, say like A or something. I can't do it.
Inhale lots of it. Deeply inhale. And
Better?
Better?
Better? Is it better? Is it better?
That's not you. Is he mad at you?
Ooh, that was cute.
Your mom is gonna go through my stuff while you're doing this.
Matza!
Jewish food.
Jewish food.
Can you please get a little burp going?
Try. I hate this. I'm gonna drink a lot of it. This is the beast.
She would call them bubblies.
Bubblies! No, why would I do that? That's what I said. Anymore. Do you see that?
That was so grimy.
Those like are still stored in it.
Yeah, I know. It sounded like it was like coming off or something.
Yeah.
I've learned all this burping from my wonderful brother.
I never burp.
I do all the
And if
time.
I do it in my mouth and we go. Like,
Yeah,
you know.
I burp in public. I don't even care. I choose to be unladylike.
That big?
That's it.
best take that back.
Okay.
You best take that back.
I just realized they don't know our names.
I'm Shaniqua, and this is Chandra, and we the bestest girls in the town.
Get off.
We gon' run this town tonight. Hey, hey,
Okay.
hey.
This is up, Lauren. Lauren, shut up.
We gon' run this town tonight.
And if you can't tell by now, her name is Lauren.
I'm Dana.
Dana.
Never.
Hold on, what's the first?
What?
I'm gonna kill you. This is so inattractive. Unattractive. My bad.
Inattractive.
Very good. You say no one will go out with me after this.
Yeah, that and.
And
Let's play. Let's do it. I'm a show warrior today. She's like, I don't think tension make you up. Your story, right? What? The show warrior asked me today. Like, are those extensions? Right here. That's random.
wait,
I'm like,
over Facebook or something?
no, we're just home.
Empty.
Again?
Yeah, that's my second
That's our
one.
second. And this is my first.
In like
And
5
I'm
minutes. Last one.
Okay.
I think we should end it. This is really pointless.
Yum. I feel tall right now.
I feel
My
ugly
good
and short.
posture.
Ugly, short, and fat. And like.
AKA.
Same.
No, AKA a joke.